Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right front roller assembly on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Open both doors, along with the water filter cover. Pull the toe kick plate free. Lift and support the right side of the appliance. Use a 3/8-inch socket or nut driver to remove the adjustment screw from the cabinet frame. You can use a flathead screwdriver to help detach the retaining clip securing the roller axle. Slide out the axle and lift out the old roller assembly. You're now ready to install the new roller assembly. Making sure the adjustment arm is properly seated, position the assembly in the frame, and replace the roller axle to hold it in place. Snap on the retaining clip to secure the axle. Now lift the arm up and thread the adjustment screw into place. Remove the support and lower the appliance. Reinstall the toe kick plate by aligning the clips on the plate with the brackets attached to the refrigerator frame, then snap the plate into place. Close the water filter cover. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.